Early one day in mid-September, Arthur was sitting on a really big telephone pole, looking down over the world. There was Mr. Jackson's house, and I think the Stedmans live there. But all the way down is the big bird. He's the ultimate bird. Always sitting there, calmly, never affected by weather or anything. He's my idol. He lives right by the diner. I guess they throw out stuff at night, and he moves when I'm sleeping. He never seems to see me, and I always see him. Do you think maybe from not moving, we could all understand a lot more? I think Mr. Stedman's getting up, huh? I'd like to go over and, hang out at his bird feeder while he's, eating breakfast. Later!